Far below the surface of the ocean, past the last flickers of sunlight, there is a place where gravity feels heavier, time feels slower, and life somehow keeps going. Down here, bones should collapse, cells should rupture, metabolism should fail, and yet eyes glow in the dark, mouths stretch wider than bodies. Creatures live without sunlight, without warmth, sometimes without oxygen. This is not science fiction. This is Earth. And the deeper we go, the more biology seems to forget its own rules. Our journey begins around 1,000 meters down, in the ocean's twilight zone. Here, sunlight dies slowly, not with a switch, but with a fading memory. Food is scarce, temperatures drop, pressure presses down with the weight of a small car on every square inch. And yet, animals here glow. Jellyfish pulse with neon blues, fish blink with green sparks. Entire bodies light up bioluminescence, a chemical glow created inside living cells. For many species, light becomes language, a flash to attract prey, a shimmer to confuse predators, a glow to find a mate in endless darkness. But scientists still don't fully understand why some creatures glow in such complex patterns, or how evolution fine-tuned light into such a precise survival tool. And this is only the beginning. We descend further, to depths where pressure should flatten life into nothing. At 4,000 meters, the ocean presses down with 400 times the pressure at the surface. Any air-filled space should collapse instantly, so deep-sea animals simply removed air from the equation. No lungs filled with gas, no rigid bones that could snap. Instead, bodies become soft, flexible, almost gelatinous. Proteins fold differently, cell membranes change shape. The blobfish, often mocked for its appearance, is actually perfectly designed for this world. At the surface, it looks melted. At depth, it's stable, efficient, alive. This raises a larger question. If life can rewrite its own structure under pressure, what are the real limits of biology? We don't yet know. Now we enter a place where the rules truly collapse. No light, no plants, no photosynthesis. By every textbook definition, life should end here. And yet, entire ecosystems exist. Around hydrothermal vents, cracks in the ocean floor, superheated, toxic water pours out, rich in chemicals deadly to most life. But some creatures don't eat food. They eat chemistry. Tube worms have no mouth, no stomach. Instead, bacteria live inside their bodies, converting sulfur into energy, a process called chemosynthesis. It's like having a power plant instead of a digestive system. Scientists once believed sunlight was essential for complex life. These vents shattered that idea completely, and now the mystery deepens. If life can thrive without sunlight here, could it exist the same way on other worlds? Deeper still, life slows down. In the deep sea, meals are rare, energy is precious. Some animals grow incredibly slowly, taking decades, sometimes centuries to mature. The Greenland shark may live 400 years or more. Its body chemistry barely changes with time. Aging itself seems optional. How do their cells resist decay? Why doesn't damage accumulate the same way? Scientists still don't know, but it forces an unsettling thought. What we call biological limits may simply be surface-level assumptions. We've mapped the surface of Mars better than our own deep ocean. More than 80% of it remains unexplored. Every expedition discovers something new, a creature without eyes, without blood, without anything we thought was essential for life. The deeper we look, the less certain we become. Perhaps biology doesn't have rules, only patterns we haven't broken yet. And somewhere, far below us, in the silent pressure and endless dark, life is still redefining the definition of what it means to exist. We are visitors here, and we've barely begun to look.